Exercise 3. A bookstore is having a sale on novels and magazines. During the sale, each novel costs $12 and each magazine costs $8. So we have a novel for $12 and each magazine with a cost of $8 respectively. Elena can spend at most, so this means no more than $100 at the store. If Elena buys n novels, so we know that she bought n novels, and since each one of these novels is worth $12, then for all these n novels, she definitely spent 12 times n. And m magazines, similarly, since each magazine is worth $8, then for these m amount of magazines, Elena definitely spent 8 times n. So she spent a total of 12n plus 8n. But we know that this should be at most $100. So this means that 12n plus 8n should be smaller or equal to 800, which means 12n plus 8n smaller or equal than 900. Question A, choice A is the right answer for this question.